From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and happy to the first day of meteorological summer. Unfortunately, it's also the first day of hurricane season, so Dr. Phil Klotzbach coming out with his numbers at Colorado State, inching them up a little bit, but overall, between Colorado State, NOAA, and most of the hurricane forecasters, they're calling for near normal season. But what is a normal season? A normal season can be any season. It could be the year that we have 3 hurricanes here in Louisiana or somewhere else, but it still could be normal. So we're going to stay away from that type of number and tell you what exactly we think is going to happen as we go into this year. So let's take a look at the big picture, look at the water temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico, which have been near 80 degrees since the beginning of May for the most part. It's been warm out there. Now we see slightly cooler water temperatures in the northeastern Gulf, and that's where our low pressure system is churning. So it's not really going to go gangbusters and develop, but as it drifts southward, which we do expect, it'll be meeting up with temperatures in the middle 80s. Now, factors this year, 2 major factors, El Nino and water temperatures. And water temperatures within this El Nino box right here. This is called the El Nino 3.4 region. This is kind of the bellwether whether we know we're going to have cold and dry winters or wet and mild winters. And this could be a wet and mild winter with a 90% chance of an El Nino coming on. And it's called the region 3.4 right here. So this is the area that we look at. And we've transitioned from all blue in this box. That was La Nina the last couple of years, to now it's getting orange and more orange, and with time we expect a full-blown El Nino by August, September, and October, and those are the prime time for hurricane months. So that's going to reduce, perhaps hopefully increase upper level shear, reduce storm activity, perhaps intensity, because what this does, it makes it more stormy out here in the Pacific, and then you get this outflow channel that allows for increased upper level winds, which will interrupt a tropical system trying to cross through this zone. Now this zone could be farther to the northwest, it could be farther to the east, and it's not always there nonstop. So you always have windows in El Nino years. And in El Nino years, we here in the Gulf of Mexico are pretty much immune to whether there's an El Nino or La Nina. And I submit 1992 Hurricane Andrew, 1957 Hurricane Audrey. They were El Nino years, so you can get a storm during El Nino years easily in the Gulf of Mexico. Meanwhile, the Atlantic way above normal temperature-wise, so that's going to be the offsetting factor on the forecast. Otherwise, the forecasters would have gone with a below normal hurricane season, but the water temperature's never been warmer. So this is probably what's going to happen, and we've already verified this. Maybe some close-in activity in the Gulf of Mexico, southeast U.S., so we'll have to watch fronts as they get in this zone, and then you're going to have your wind shear here, and then you're going to have the big blockbuster storms perhaps turning out and going out to sea in the open Atlantic. But bottom line is be prepared each and every year equally for tropical season, because you never know when one's going to be on your front porch and it makes it a bad hurricane season year, even if it's the only storm of the year. So here we go with low pressure in the upper parts of the atmosphere. Look at all the dry air out here in the Gulf of Mexico. So we think our low pressure system's not going to have much of a chance. Some showers offshore the Florida coast, but not much. Few showers locally here. How about that? We have a nice little shower or two moving through St. Martin Parish into looks like Lafayette Parish and northern Iberia Parish in the next couple of 20-30 minutes or so. So don't be surprised if you see a shower, but most of us stay quiet. So here's our tropical system. It's very disorganized. It's not doing a whole lot. It's going to be drifting to the south. Could briefly become a tropical storm. If so, the name will be Arlene, but it's going to be a short-lived system. And again, we think it's going to be moving generally to the south. Most of the heavy rain stays offshore with this system. Meanwhile, our weather looking nice and quiet in the days ahead, with another mostly sunny day for tomorrow. As we move into the forecast, we'll see, look at this, temperatures right at 93 for daytime highs. That's a couple of degrees above normal. Overnight lows, upper 60s tonight, lower 70s. Hopefully better rain chances in the offing Sunday into early next week, as there'll be a little bit more weakness in the upper atmosphere. And of course, today, the beginning of hurricane season.